In the quest for healthier, lustrous hair, natural remedies often stand out. Among these, fenugreek seeds have gained attention for their potential benefits. Packed with hair-friendly nutrients, these seeds offer a variety of advantages, from promoting growth to combating dandruff. Discover the perks of incorporating fenugreek seeds into your hair care routine and learn a simple method to harness their potential. Here are benefits of fenugreek seeds for hair. Promotes hair growth. Fenugreek seeds contain proteins that help stimulate hair growth. Reduces hair loss. They contain nicotinic acid, which prevents hair fall and strengthens hair follicles. Adds shine. Fenugreek seeds are rich in lecithin, making hair shiny and manageable. Fights dandruff. Antifungal properties help combat dandruff and soothe the scalp. Moisturizes scalp. Fenugreek seeds hydrate the scalp, reducing dryness and itchiness. How to use fenugreek seeds for hair. Soak. Soak fenugreek seeds in water overnight. Make paste. Grind soaked seeds into a paste in the morning. Apply the paste on the scalp and hair. Massage. Gently massage and leave it on for 60 minutes. Rinse. Wash off with mild shampoo and water. Remember to do a patch test before using to check for any allergic reactions. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.